This quiz is an exercise designed to help you learn more about two concepts I've introduced earlier in the class. One of those concepts is called the SS number one sentence structure, which is just a way of drawing your attention to the use of subordinate clauses at the beginning of sentences. And you can see here I've highlighted on the dynamic clause-based sentence structure sheet that sample. Walks through what an SS1 is and how it is structured. The other sentence structure this quiz is going to ask you to work on and learn is the SS2, the use of the introductory prepositional phrase. The numbers don't matter. I'm never going to give you a quiz asking you to match the number of the structure to the structure. They're just a way of us staying organized and me having a code I can refer you to when I want to help you think about these different structures. So basically what we're doing here is looking at two different ways to start up sentences that give your readers more logical information. Subordinate clauses use words like because, although, when, while, if to make logical connections between clauses that otherwise might just be separate sentences. Bringing them together in one sentence using those magic subordinating conjunctions suddenly allows you as a writer to think on a higher level and to communicate with your reader on a higher, more sophisticated level. The same is true of introductory prepositional phrases in the sense that by contextualizing an independent clause, an introductory phrase that begins with a preposition gives your reader more information. That allows a paragraph that might feel like a series of bullet points to start to feel like something that is a set of interconnected ideas. So those SS2s, those introductory prepositional phrases, can provide really powerful transitional devices. Notice, as I'm talking about subordination and introductory prepositional phrases, I'm using the words of logic. Words like because and although and when and while. These words communicate logical concepts like causality, temporality, sequence. The same is true of prepositional phrases. They provide context and transitions that help your reader follow your thinking and understanding the moves you're making in your writing. So sentence structures aren't about grammar and punctuation. Grammar and punctuation help make sentence structures work, but what sentence structures are logical moves, thinking tools that allow you to communicate your logic, your thoughts more effectively, more clearly, more persuasively. So we want to think of these sentence structures as logical moves that empower us, not grammar and punctuation rules that hold us back.